Why billion-dollar companies are hitting the brakes. For the past 2 years, artificial intelligence has dominated nearly every conversation in business. Turn on financial news, and you hear about AI. Read an earnings report, and executives are discussing AI. Attend a board meeting, and someone inevitably asks about AI strategy. Speak with investors, consultants, technology leaders, or entrepreneurs, and the discussion almost always returns to the same question. How is artificial intelligence going to change the future? What makes this fascinating is that only a few years ago, most people outside the technology industry barely thought about artificial intelligence at all. Today, it has become one of the most important strategic priorities for organizations around the world. Governments are investing in it. Universities are teaching it. Companies are reorganizing around it. Investors are betting billions on it. And technology firms are spending unprecedented amounts of money to build the infrastructure required to support it. At first glance, this appears to be a familiar story. History is full of technological revolutions. The steam engine transformed transportation. Electricity transformed manufacturing. The internet transformed communication. Mobile phones transformed everyday life. Artificial intelligence appears to be the next chapter in that story. Yet something interesting has happened over the last year. The conversation has changed. Not dramatically, not suddenly, but noticeably. A few years ago, the dominant question was simple. Can AI change the world? Today, the question sounds very different. Can AI justify its cost? Can AI generate measurable business value? Can AI be trusted? Can AI be governed? Can AI create more value than risk? These are fundamentally different questions. They represent a transition from excitement to evaluation, from possibility to practicality, from experimentation to accountability. And perhaps most importantly, they represent a shift from technology thinking to business thinking. Because while technology may create opportunities, businesses ultimately survive based on economics. A company cannot pay its bills with excitement. A company cannot satisfy shareholders with press releases. A company cannot justify investments indefinitely without demonstrating results. Eventually, every organization reaches a point where enthusiasm must be replaced by evidence. And that is exactly where many companies find themselves today.